Case review time. I'm going to show you how I took this smile to this. So when we look at this patient's before photo, you can see that she has a lot of these white spots on her teeth, and her teeth just don't look really uniform in color. And then she has this one crown right in the middle of her smile that is shorter than the rest of the teeth and just a completely different color. It really stands out, doesn't blend in at all, doesn't have the same characteristics as her other teeth. So our first mission was to get rid of the white spots, which I used Icon to do. And you can see here that after you remove the white spots, those other teeth look so much more uniform in color. They look beautiful with her smile and they no longer stand out. You don't notice those white spots anymore. I love the Icon treatment. It's so safe for the enamel. It's very conservative. You don't have to drill into the teeth. It only takes one appointment to complete, and that result is just beautiful. Next up was replacing that crown that stood out so much. So here is what it looked like after we put it in. This took 2 appointments. We did a lot of custom work here. We added a little bit of white spots into that crown to really make it blend in with the rest of her teeth and to make it look really uniform. So you could see her gum is really irritated here still right after we put it in, but wait until the gums heal. And here's a side view of that. Look how natural it looks. It looks like it belongs in her mouth. Now let me show you after her gums heal. Here's the finished product. Look how beautiful it looks. Her smile now blends in. Everything looks uniform. The patient is so happy. Here's a retracted view. It just looks beautiful. Drop your questions below.